All right, so we're running. That's cool.
It's cool.
Yeah, so today we're going to be working on, you said the trunk area, right?
Yeah,
Or
we're going to try to get this cut away and work on the rest of the rear quarter panels there. By the way, JP here.
Yeah, JP
Really?
Street Performance. JP Street and Performance coming to you again with another banger for the Fallon Vaydor build. We've already knocked out these side panels, so we're just gonna keep trucking along on this build. And this is episode 6, I believe.
Seven.
So awesome.
All right,
We're getting there.
Let's get to it. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so what we've got done now is the B pillars are cut off. You want to be careful not to cut into your reinforcement layer here. It's multiple layers, so if you kind of see how we cut ours on both sides, that's kind of how you're going to do it. If you're doing it our way, there's probably 1,000 ways to skin a snake, and then right now on the rear, you got to be careful because of the rear struts. They come up into all of this material here. So what we ended up doing is we just cut straight across on both sides. We nipped it back here so we can kind of fine tune that. And we're just checking the website right now. And we're going to see where we can cut this rear trunk out of here. And once that's done, that'll be it for the day. Alright YouTube, so here you have it. Rear trunk is out. Like I said, we're going to fine tune this to make sure we don't cut through the reinforcement for the rear shock struts. But trunk's gone, B-pillars are gone. So this thing is getting near time to put the roll cage on. Getting close to
So
fitting the roll cage.
excited.
Trying to fine tune the roll cage in there before it all starts to get welded in. So
It's starting to look like a project car, guys.
alright, thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more.